should I do with this pen I brought?
Plug in the USB power cable to the main lithium power battery pack, powering cameras and data logger. The camera should be automatically turned on. Power LED should show on the data.
Camera.
Alright, where we go?
That's this one right here. So we'll have to do that step. Mark that. We'll have to do that when we go to put the lid on it because the cord won't reach. Okay.
Wait, did you say to mark it?
To revisit, undone. Okay. So we gotta go back to that.
We have 3 actions.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's a 3D printed part. Yep.
Okay. Verify blinking recording lights. Blue or yellow. Our LEDs are on each camera.
Okay. So now look. So this is blinking. So that means it's recording.
Every time it's live.
That one has
What about
red,
this
it's
one?
recording.
It's red, but is it recording? Is the question.
I'm a pro.
Okay. So there's 2 facing horizontal.
I can't tell. So let's check it. They're set up to power on and start recording automatically. Let's see. It's not blinking, so that means it's not recording.
Cool.
But it is on.
So there's one for redundancy.
Yeah. We are going for long.
So you can see the antennas go down.
There. Now it's recording.
2 or 3.
Verify blinking priority LED on data logger, indicating sensors are collecting and recording data for payload.
We'll do that when we power in the data logger when we put the lid on. So we got to revisit that one. So mark that one to revisit.
And then
plug in USB power cable for the 360 camera into main lithium power battery pack, powering the 360 cam, and it should automatically turn on.
Other way.
Oh,
Yeah, that way.
I'm fine. Where is it? I know where.
Got it.
Okay. Now, here's the 360.
Where it go?
360.
Oh, that's it.
It's charging, but it's not on.
Go on.
Probably dead.
No, the button's on the side here. It's kind of hard to hit.
It says it should automatically.
You want tiny fingers?
It's on.
I think it came on.
Yeah.
Yay!
There it is.
Mine is bigger, I think.
Okay. 360 is now recording.
Yours is bigger.
Notify flight and
My pinky is so small.
Okay, what next?
Start recording we already did that. 360. Notify the flight CDO is ready for launch.
Okay, so flight is Brian. He's our SPL.
And notify the Capcom to prepare the payload.
So that's the next team. So the item that you got to note, Brian, is make sure we power on that data logger and it starts recording.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have 2 things to revisit.
Can I borrow the pen?
Fantastic.
You utilize that.
Sure. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, cameras and data.
It says 2 things to revisit.
One is we use that website.
Thank you. Okay. Can you turn on the power? These lights here. There's a little switch here. They flip up.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Cool.
Click. And click.
It'll light the interior of the payload once it's sealed up.
Okay.
Good job.
Thank you. I think I might be the only Capcom.
You're the only Capcom guy. Well,
I
you
don't
have
know.
the coolest job.
Potatoes.
Okay, so who was radios at the troop meeting? Anybody else?
Technically me.
Now what we started doing.
All right. So you get to do all the fun stuff.
Great.
So
You'll
basically,
be the doer. Brian can be the checker.
Yeah. And then that technically eliminates one step at the end.
That's pretty rad.
Alright. So basically, you make the Mega Man, Street Fighter, Resident Evil, and
Antennas.
they're already connected. We've already tested them.
Sends alpha signal, as you know.
Tracker batteries are on holder and secure.
We also have mobile.
Yep.
It's here.
So we usually lose that.
Next tracker batteries, trackers, powering them on using the sequence.
I love how there's some guys who say
Power primary. Oh, so now we get to actually plug them in now.
Yeah. So this, let's see, this tracker plugs into that one, and we're going to use a USB cable for that one.
Okay. Because that one's more complicated. Wait 30 seconds and then check for update, I'm guessing.
Yep. Oop, hold on, I gotta it's looped in here. Hold on, just a second.
It's snooped.
It's snooped.
What does snooped mean?
Want stuff to be caught. What's going on?
So where's the parachute? And when, how does it come
It's
out?
on the ground here.
Power on back up.
Say, okay, well, our system was maybe off, or there was a difference. Why was it different? It teaches you to troubleshoot.
You are
problem
doing a
solve.
good job.
All right.
I think that's great. Yeah, so we actually talked about this, so that's where this came from right here. So we started using this external GPS because we were having some trouble with becoming more sound. There's more sound lines we pick up. Right.
Okay.
I'm searching for 11 right now.
I'm standing here watching.
We can power on back up while we wait. Power back up. Not going to be battery.
Probably heard of the sea.
Yeah, I got a message from it.
There
Okay.
you go. We got it.
All right.
Heard of the sea.
Cool.
And then back up. So I got to get a power cable for it.
Why do the people?
Interesting, yeah. Actually,
Potato missing. Have
Why
you
do the
seen
people
me?
know what they're doing?
Josh is really proud of me. It's hardcore.
I don't know how to launch a bomb. Don't worry.
Oh yeah, this and the water bottle are currently the same thing because they can both explode.
You mentioned
Uh-huh.
something on me. I think I'm gonna switch my
Wasn't being used.
Sir, step away from the bomb.
How come it doesn't burn? Wait, does it go
Any
through
luck?
the
That was powering that.
It goes all the way up to 100,000 feet.
No, it wasn't plugged in.
How
This
come
one
it says
was.
I'm
Would you
just
consider,
I'm reflashing that because it's
Brian,
not
would
functioning.
you consider
Oh, okay.
this nerf rifle?
Oh, okay. Okay.
I think they normally float.
Both technically.
I see.
Technically, they
Hey, what's this note in here?
Let me grab another one after this.
Missy, have you seen me?
No.
to just put the potato back.
Yeah, that's our potato.
I did a video yesterday where I was talking
We
about
should tape that in there.
Yes.
Maybe they'll think that it was a message, a
We
secret
should put it
message.
to the side so it's not on the...
We should put it like right here. So it's right in front of you.
So we can still see the...
Okay. I'm gonna get this cable set up here to power this tractor, alright?
complete your mission.
And then I'll let you plug it in.
I also made my midway low though. Do you think I should put another circle so that
No, I don't like that.
yeah, never.
Do you think the that's actually more sus than the 5?
That's the hope. Okay.
Right. Anything will explode.
No.
That's the hope.
Okay.
I doubt it.
You want to plug that in? That powering up?
What is the water bottle
You want
for?
me to plug it into this
The
one?
water should boil off at high altitude. It'll
Wes, you want me
evaporate.
to plug it into here?
Yep, go ahead and plug it in.
Why you put some erasers?
Okay, he powered on the other tractor.
So can I get some tape?